I would say the networking, the group of tank manufacturing professionals that I have been able to build relationships with is the number one benefit of myself being actively involved in STI-SPFA.
The biggest thing for me is the networking, building relationships with other fabricators, other affiliate members. And it's really a small world, and so whatever we can all do to help each other out, we've grown that relationship to really do a good job of furthering the steel industry.
I've grown really strong relationships, and I sort of try to take it from there to develop and to keep in touch and to bounce ideas off of. And when difficult times come up or something unexpected, I have a group of 20 different professionals in our industry I can send a quick email to or get on the phone and talk talk through those issues to try to help me out.
It goes back to relationships. I mean, that's really why, in my opinion, why I do what I do and why a lot of people in this industry, in manufacturing specifically, more specifically in steel, is the tight-knit relationships, the desire to have everybody succeed in this room together when we all meet is pretty impactful. And once you experience that from the receiving end, you really want to give back and help. And that's really one thing we've done as an association, is work to develop that next generation with our emerging leaders group.
My involvement through STI-SPFA is pretty personal because of the family heritage we have being involved in this association and being around some of Dad's best industry friends twice a year, then on phone conferences, webinars, conference calls, you name it, really feels like I'm continuing the tradition forward. If you go to meetings but aren't that involved, you're only going to get a little bit out of it. If you are in meetings, if you're having conference calls, if you're emailing with members, if you're developing those strong relationships, you can get a lot out of it.
It really is the camaraderie, the networking. When I have an issue, I can pick up the phone and call friendly competitors. I can call like fabricators that might not be competitors but understand what's going on. There might be something that I do in my shop or my guys have an issue with that we're not as proficient as another member fabricator is. We've sent guys to other shops to learn. We've had other guys from other shops come to us just to walk around, pick the brains of. There's no school for metal fabrication necessarily. So what we've learned is what we've learned along the way. And if we can help speed that process up, that's what we do here as a trade association.